How's everyone doing? Well, we talked about the faith side. We talked about belief, the bottom piece of the pyramid, the foundational piece on growing in our faith with Christ. Now we're going to balance this out on the physical side. What do we start with? What's the bottom foundational piece in our fitness life? We all know we love the word or we hate the word. It's nutrition. It's the calories we're eating. It's the right calories. It's the right amount of nutrients to move that Ferrari body of yours and not putting low octane in it so it just puts around. But we have to rev that puppy up, rev it up so it is maximizing the body that you have, and it can move well, can think well, it can be alert all day throughout the day, and just your mobility, and then all the other pieces in your fitness lifestyle is just going to be better, right? Your weightlifting, your gymnastic, your metabolic, all these things. But a lot of times we want to jump right into the weightlifting. We want to go to the gym and 7 days a week and not eat well, but make up for it for going more times to the gym. Is that really the answer? Going to church more days every single day? Is that the answer? If you're not doing what God is telling you to do with His Word, we'd rather just maybe not go at all, but focus on one piece. That's the same in the physical, guys. You have to focus on this bottom piece. If you get this piece, everything becomes so much easier. Putting in the right nutrients in your body. It's important. It's easier said than done. We always think that we eat and cheat in moderation, and we maybe on the weekends, but knowing that number, knowing exactly where you need to be will allow you to stay consistent and then have someone else coaching you to keep you consistent. So when you fall off track, get you back on and to keep moving. Nutrition is the key to all the fitness pieces that we're going to talk about to follow. So guys, look at the plan, look at what you're eating, write down what you're eating in 1 week, every single day, what you put in your mouth, and then take a look at that. What is that? What does that look like? Maybe you'll find out you're not eating nothing at all. Or maybe you feel like you're eating like one big dinner and nothing throughout the day. You'll start to see a consistency of behaviors of what you do daily, and then we just have to add and create new habits in your life. That's all. You just need a little coaching. We all need the Lord to coach us in this area. So God bless, guys. Love you guys, and stay tuned.